Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create new macro in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So to create a simple macro, first of all we need a VBA editor. This Visual Basic editor allows ordinary users to record, create and edit macros that can automate tasks in Microsoft Office applications. There are several ways to open VBA editor. The first way is to right-click on any worksheet and select the View Code option. For the second method, we need the Developer tab. Watch a short video on how to add a Developer tab here. So, select the Developer tab and click the Visual Basic button on the left side and the VBA editor window opens. And the fastest way to call VBA editor is to use the key combination of Alt plus F11. Great, VBA editor is open. Now to add the macro code we need to create a module. This is a separate unit or container for storing, writing and editing the code. Right-click on any worksheet, select Insert and click the module. In the module window that opens, enter some simple macro code. For example, let's write a macro to convert letters in cells to uppercase. Great, the code is written. Now go back to Excel, press Alt plus Q keys or just close the VBA editor. Let's check out how our macro works. Select the range that we will convert all letters to uppercase and then press the Alt plus F8 keys and a window opens for running macros. Select our newly created macro and click Run. And yes, great, all the letters in the selected cells are converted to uppercase. In addition, in the macro run window, we can delete a macro, edit its code, or create a shortcut for the macro by clicking Options. Let's use the combination Ctrl plus P. We are trying to change the letter case using the shortcut keys. Press Ctrl plus P and the letters have changed the case. And finally, how to save such an Excel file with a macro. Click File, Save As, Browse, select the desired folder on your PC, enter the file name, and most importantly, in the Save As Type field, select the Excel macro enabled workbook format. If you don't do this, but save the file as usual using the standard format, then any VBA code or macro will be deleted, since this format doesn't support macros and VBA code. It's all, now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.